What is going on, everybody in Math Squad? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be doing a speed test between the Redmi Note 9S and the Galaxy A20. Stay tuned. In the intro of this video here, this is going to be the Redmi Note 9S going up against the Galaxy A20. And to get things started, I want to discuss the specifications on paper for each device. Now with the Redmi Note 9S here, we have the Snapdragon 720 inside this device, along with the Adreno 618 for the GPU. Now you also get 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. And out of the box, the device is going to be running Android 10 with security patch of May 1st, 2020. Now with the Galaxy A20 here on the right side, we're going to have a Samsung Exynos processor inside. Not sure of the exact model make, but it's going to be an octa-core chipset here, and for the GPU it's going to be a Mali G71. Now this device in particular comes with 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage. And out of the box, the device is going to be running Android 9 with security patch of May 1st, 2020. Now as far as the specifications on paper for each device here, it has to go to the Redmi Note 9S. It has a little bit more RAM, a little bit more internal storage, and the CPU inside of the Redmi Note 9S is a little bit more powerful than the one that's inside the Galaxy A20. So as of right now, we have to declare the winner to be the Redmi Note 9S with a score of 1 and the Galaxy A20 having a score of 0. Let's get to the next part. Now with the next part of the speed test here, what we're going to be doing is the application opening and RAM management test. And so basically what that is where I open up the same application on each device to see which one can open up the application faster. And afterwards, I test the RAM to see which device can hold the application that we open in the background better. So let's go ahead and get that started right now. So the first application I'm going to open up here is Play Store in 3, 2, 1. That goes to the Redmi Note 9S. The next application we're going to open up here is YouTube. So 3, 2, 1. Redmi Note 9S. The next application we're going to open up here is Amazon. So 3, 2, 1. It goes to the Redmi Note 9S. The next application we're going to open up here is Best Buy. So 3, 2, 1. Redmi Note 9S again. So now let's jump over to social media here. We're going to do Facebook in 3, 2, 1. Redmi Note 9S. Instagram in 3, 2, 1. Had a little bit of a struggle on the Redmi. Let's see what happens. Nope, Redmi Note 9S still takes it. The next application we're going to open up here is Reddit. So 3, 2, 1. Redmi Note 9S. The next application we're going to open up here is Twitter. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the Redmi Note 9S. The next application we're going to open up here is Netflix. So 3, 2, 1. We'll give that to the Redmi Note 9S. And the final application we're going to open up is going to be Spotify in 3, 2, 1. That goes to the Redmi Note 9S. So as you saw there, the Redmi Note 9S opened up every single application faster than the Galaxy A20 here. So pretty much a landslide. Let's go ahead and test the RAM to see which device can hold the applications that they both open better in the background. Play Store, held by the Redmi Note 9S. YouTube, held by the Redmi Note 9S. Amazon, held by the Redmi Note. Best Buy, held by both. Facebook, held by the Redmi. Instagram, held by the Redmi. Reddit, held by the Redmi. Twitter, held by Redmi Note. Netflix, held by the Redmi Note. And last but not least, Spotify, held by the Redmi Note. So as you saw there with the application open and RAM management test there, the Redmi Note 9S absolutely destroyed the Galaxy A20 in every single aspect, opening up the applications, holding the applications better in the background for the RAM. So there's no need for me to even keep going and talking here. The score is going to be 2 for the Redmi Note 9S and 0 for the Galaxy A20. Let's get to the next part. And so with the next part of the speed test here, we're going to compare the AnTuTu benchmark numbers, the Geekbench numbers, and also run a speed test while each device is on the same Wi-Fi network. So let's get that started. Now with the AnTuTu benchmark here on each device, you can see on the Redmi Note 9S we got a score of 252,563, and on the Galaxy A20 we got a score of 125,256. So almost, if not definitely, double what the Galaxy A20 got as far as the AnTuTu benchmark score. So without any question, that goes to the Redmi Note 9S. Now with the Geekbench scores in each device, you can see that we got a single core score on the Redmi Note 9S of 567 and a multi-core score of 1,722. While on the Galaxy A20 we got a score of 272 for the single core and the multi-core score of 985. Similar to the AnTuTu benchmark, it's going to be a landslide once again for the Redmi Note 9S. Let's go ahead and do that speed test really quickly here and see which device can pull down the faster data speeds. Let's just go ahead and run this speed test here to see which device can pull down the faster data speeds in 3, 2, 1. So as you can see with the Redmi Note 9S, we got 28.7 on the down speed and 21.4 on the up speed. And if you look at the Galaxy A20, we got 31.3 on the down and 21.8 on the up. So when it comes to data speeds, the Galaxy A20 trumped the Redmi Note 9S. But because it won the AnTuTu benchmark and Geekbench part of the test here, another W is going to have to go to the Redmi Note 9S. And so as of right now, we got a score of 3 for the Redmi Note 9S and 0 for the Galaxy A20. So with this next part of the speed test here, what we're going to be doing is the application install test, in which I install 3 of the top applications here in the Play Store to see which device can install the application faster. And once a device wins 2 or installs 2 of those 3 applications faster than the other, they are declared the winner. First application we're going to do here is Zoom in 3, 2, 1. Alright, the Redmi Note 9S looks like it's going to... Yes, it has defeated the Galaxy A20. Let's get to the next app. And so the next application we're going to install here is HBO Max. So 3, 2, 1. Who do we think is going to win this one here? So it's currently installing on both devices. And that goes to the Redmi Note 9S. Came back to take the W. So as per rules, it installed 2 of those 3 applications that I was going to install on both devices faster than the Galaxy A20. So as of right now, we have a score of 4 for the Redmi Note 9S and 0 for the Galaxy A20. So I hope my Galaxy Max Squad members aren't upset right now because the A20 it just wasn't able to hang, unfortunately. Let's go ahead and get to the final part of the speed test here and close the video out. So with the final part of my speed test here, all I do is just simply do a reboot on each device by turning devices on and off to see which one can power on faster. And I don't want to talk too much. Let's go ahead and get that started right now in 3, 2, 1. And that goes to the Galaxy A20. So Max Squad, as you saw there in the speed test video between the Redmi Note 9S and the Galaxy A20, things were pretty much one-sided. Now with the on-paper test, the Redmi Note 9S clearly took that one. It had the faster CPU inside the device, Snapdragon 720, and it also had a little bit more RAM and internal storage. Now when it came to the application install and RAM management part of the test, that's where the Redmi Note 9S actually took things no issues. Every single application that I threw at both devices were open faster on the Redmi Note 9S, and it seems as if only 1 or 2 applications were able to be held in the background on the Galaxy A20 versus the Redmi Note 9S. Now when it came to the AnTuTu benchmark numbers and the Geekbench numbers, that was clearly another victory for the Redmi Note 9S. I don't even want to discuss the speed test numbers because yes, the Galaxy A20 did get a little bit faster down on upload speeds, but in the grand scheme of things, not a big deal. Now when it came to the application install test, that's where things got a little sketchy towards the end. Now with the first application, that was very easy for the Redmi Note 9S. It took that one no problem, but things got a little bit close when it came to the HBO Max. Maybe about a 1 or 2 seconds difference, but the fact remains the same. The Redmi Note 9S took that W. And when it came to the final category of the speed test video here, the Galaxy A20 did take that W. So it wasn't a complete shutout, which is something that kind of surprised me based on how the video was going. I knew for sure the Galaxy A20 was a pretty fast rebooting phone, and so the fact that it actually got a W made me feel a little good. So all the Galaxy users who are in Max Squad here, don't feel too bad. It's just this one wasn't really up to this one here. So Max Squad, let me know in the comment section below, did you think the Galaxy A20 had a chance against the Redmi Note 9S? I did towards the beginning of the video, of course, but as things kept going on, it became a little, became a little bit more clear that the Redmi Note 9S was going to be taking this W with no issue. Now Max Squad, like this video so that other people just like you can get a little bit more help when it comes to researching devices like the Redmi Note 9S and the Galaxy A20. And if you're new to the channel here, consider subscribing so that when it comes to future videos or additional coverage with devices like the Redmi Note 9S and the Galaxy A20, you won't miss those videos. But Max Squad, please share this video with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It is just not true. But until then, my name is Max Squad. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.